Hello you guys, today we are here to let you know about Planon Live. This is an app that connects you to the maintenance team where you can put in your complaints regarding any issues in your room or in your flat. Now, if you want to put in a complaint, you have to do the basics by logging in and then choosing where the issue is. For example, if you need to report your shower curtains, you would choose bathroom. Then you need to choose an order type. This step is very important as this gives the maintenance team enough information about the issues that you're facing and they can come in with the required equipment. You can also put in a comment to describe your issues further. Then you need to put in your building name, your flat number, and your room. You can then click submit and you will get this message on the screen, which means that your complaint has been reported and has been transferred to the maintenance team. You will also receive an email confirmation for your complaint. We hope that was useful. Make sure you download Planon Live.